Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to EPSEX online support program. Students, we are going to understand the concept of comparing and ordering numbers from chapter number 1, numbers to 1000, and we will cover the pages 9 to 13. Students, in this lesson, you will be able to compare 3-digit numbers and you will be able to find out that which number is greatest and which is smallest, and then you will be able to order them according to the given instructions. Okay, now thought of the day. Education is not the filling of a pail but the lighting of a fire. Our objectives today are compare the numbers to find greatest, smallest, and compare and order 3-digit numbers. Success criteria: recognize the place values of ones, tens and hundreds and order the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now, this is the time for mental math activity. I would like you to recall the previous knowledge. What comes after 99? Very good. 100. Okay. What is the spelling of 40? Very good. It is F-O-R-T-Y. 40. What comes before 60? Yes, 59. The last one. What is the place value of 6 in 692? Exactly, hundreds. Very good. It means you have a clear concept whatever you have studied before. Now students, when we compare the numbers, we have to find out some important things, some important factors. Now can you point out which number is bigger in 76 and 67? Exactly, 76 is the bigger one. And what about 33 and 23? Yes, 33 is the bigger one. And 99 or 89? Exactly, 99 is bigger than 89. So, what does it mean? It means that when we compare the numbers, we have to find out the difference between them. Now, there are some certain rules for comparison, and here is the rule number 1. Now, in 621 and 521, which is greater? When we compare these two numbers, always remember that we start from the biggest place value, and over here we have hundreds, the biggest value, right? Over here 6 is at hundreds place and here 5 is at hundreds place. So 600 is greater than 500. It means 621 is greater than 521. Is it clear? Now, rule number 2. Rule number 2 is when you have same digit at hundreds place, then what we will do? We will move on to next digit. And what is the next place value? Yes, tens is the next place value. Now 5 tens here and 9 tens here. So which one is greater? Exactly, 9 tens are greater than 5 tens. So, it means that 996 is greater than 956. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, one more rule. Rule number 3. Now, look over here on these two numbers. You see that hundreds place we have 4. Tens place we have 6. They are same. So when both the place values are same, then we will move on to ones. Now here is 9 ones and here 2 ones. Now the question is which is smaller? So is 9 ones is smaller or 2 ones is smaller? Yes, 2 ones is smaller. So 462 is smaller than 469. I hope all of you have understood. Now, there are some certain signs for comparison. Here we have the first one. This sign is used to show lesser or smaller than, while this sign is used to show bigger or greater than. Now students, I want to tell you one interesting thing. At times, both the numbers are same. Then what will you do? Do you know which sign we will use at that time? Exactly, very good. It is the sign of is equals to. So this is the sign of is equals to. Okay students, now remember that crocodile is here and it likes to eat bigger numbers. Now the first number is 639 and the other number is 693. Can you tell me which number is bigger? Which number the crocodile will eat? The bigger number. So crocodile will eat the bigger number. But if I change their places, for example, if I write 693 first and 639 afterwards, then at which side will be the face of crocodile? Exactly, towards the bigger number, and 693 is the bigger number, so crocodile will eat the bigger number. Do you understand? Good. After comparing, we are able to order the numbers. To order now the numbers means to arrange them in a given sequence. For example, over here we have a question, arrange these numbers from greatest to smallest. Now we have 498, 349, 394 and 489. Now look here that at hundreds place we have 4, 3, 3, 4. So which is the biggest? Exactly, 4 is the biggest. But we see that 4 is in two numbers. In both the numbers at hundreds place value we have 4. So what we will do? Right, we will move on to next place value, that is tens. 9 tens and here we have 8 tens. So which one is the greatest? 498 is the greatest. Then 489. In the same way, when we will compare these two numbers, we see that 300s, both are same. So we will move on to tens. 4 tens, 9 tens. So which one is the greatest? Yes, 9 tens. So 394 is the greatest among these two numbers. So what will be our arrangement now? Our arrangement will be 498, 489, 394 and 349. Okay, now this is the time for the recap. Always remember that before ordering the numbers, compare the digits, okay? Then compare the hundreds first. If the hundreds are same, then compare the tens. If the tens are same, compare the ones. And always use these two signs. This is the sign for less than and this is the sign for greater than. Is it clear to everyone? Now this is the time for home assignment. Here are two questions for you. Kindly solve them and send it to me on WhatsApp so I can check your work and then return it to you. Thank you and Assalamu Alaikum.